Uses of metals. In our daily life, we use various metals. Let us discuss the uses of some common metal. This portion is very simple. Only you have to listen. So that what are the uses of each metal? We are going to study the major metals, aluminum, copper, etc. Therefore, uses of aluminum. A give reason question can be asked so that which property of that metal is used for certain applications or certain uses. Aluminium is a silvery white metal. It is the most abundant metal found in the earth crust. It is highly malleable and ductile. It is a good conductor of electricity. Aluminium is used in making utensils and has a high melting point. In making wires and power lines, as it is a very good conductor of electricity. This is what I said. Why aluminum is used in making wires and power lines? A question can be asked. The reason is that aluminum is a very good conductor of electricity. Because of that property only, aluminum is used in making wires and power lines. In making alloys like duralumin, which is used in making aircraft bodies, space satellites, automobile parts, pressure cookers, speed boats, and ship bodies, and as it is strong, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. These are the three properties why aluminum in making alloys like duralumin, which is used in making. That means why duralumin is used in making aircraft bodies. That question can be asked. The reason is that it is strong, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. As a reducing agent in the extraction of metals like manganese, why aluminum is used in the extraction of metals like manganese? Because it is a good reducing agent. In making drink cans, as it is strong, lightweight, and non corrosive. Why aluminum is used in making drink cans? The reason is that it is strong, lightweight, and non corrosive. For packaging purposes like foil wrappings, bottle caps, etc., it is highly malleable. That means it can be made into a form of sheet. That is why this is the aluminum foil. Aluminum foils are used because it is highly malleable. Therefore, these are all even though uses are very simple, this each point you should give more importance. As a building material, as it is corrosion resistant, it is used in building material because it is corrosion resistant. In making furniture, picture frames, and other household objects, for packing medicines, cigarettes, etc., for making concave mirror for astronomical telescopes, as it is a very good reflector. See the point? Why aluminum is used in astronomical telescopes? Because it is a very good reflector. This is the way when you read, you should point out the reasons for that use. Next is uses of gold. Gold is a shiny yellow metal. It is the most malleable and ductile metal. This is one of the most important point. Which metal is most malleable and ductile? Gold. It does not react with other substances because of its chemical stability. Why gold is not reacting with other elements? It is chemically stable. It is very expensive. It is a good conductor of electricity. Gold is used for making jewelry, in making coins, in the manufacture of devices like computer, telephone, etc. That is the uses of gold. Next is copper. Copper is a reddish brown metal. It turns green when it is kept in air for a long time due to the formation of copper carbonate, which we already studied. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is ductile. Copper is used in making electric wires as it is a good conductor of electricity and it is ductile. Why copper is used in your making electric wires? Then, in making water pipes, as it does not rust. 2. Why copper is used in making water pipes? Because it does not rust. In the production of electronic products like computers, for making pans, bases of utensils, as it is a good conductor of heat. This here give reason question. Why copper is used for making the bases of utensils? Because it is a good conductor of heat. For making alloys like bronze, brass, German silver, gunmetal, etc. For making coils of electric generators and electric motors. In making medicines, in making factory equipments, in making coins, in making radiators of automobiles, as it is a good conductor of heat.